Welcome to Auto 7. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Happy watching.
The Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe returned for the 2024 model year after a brief hiatus. It's a serious sports car that shares its DNA with the sexy Mercedes-AMG SL convertible. The two top GT models pack a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and standard all-wheel drive. Model year 2025 sees the lineup expand by 3 with the introduction of the GT43, GT63 Pro, and GT63 SE performance variants. While the 4-cylinder GT43 is as close as the lineup gets to base version, the GT63 Pro is a slightly more powerful GT63 honed for track duty, and GT63 SE performance is a hybrid beast. Unlike the V8 models, however, the GT43 comes exclusively with rear-wheel drive, which, paired with an anticipated lighter overall weight, should alter its dynamic personality in intriguing ways. Otherwise, the GT Coupe lineup retains its gentleman's GT status by artfully blending the attributes of an all-out performance sports car with a well-appointed luxury interior, modern tech, and a yet stiff construction rich in aluminum, steel, magnesium, and fiber composites. An advanced hydraulic anti-roll system and rear-wheel steering help the chassis adapt to constantly changing driving demands and road conditions, as well as give it the moves to chase down most any Porsche 911 that dares to challenge it. Redesigned for 2024, the big news for 2025 is the addition of 3 new models: an entry-level GT43 with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, the track-focused 603 horsepower AMG GT63 Pro, and a range-topping GT63 SE performance plug-in hybrid with 805 horsepower. The price of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe is expected to start around $115,000 and go up to $200,000 depending on the trim and options. Pricing for the 2025 models isn't solidified yet, but we don't expect the GT55 and GT63 to move too far past their 2024 pricing. The GT43 is new for 2025, but using the Mercedes-AMG GT43 sedan and SL43 as rough indicators, and considering it lacks all-wheel drive, we estimate it will start around $115,000. The new plug-in hybrid GT63 SE performance will undoubtedly be the most expensive of the bunch. While none of the GT quartet can be considered inexpensive, the pricing schedule is on par with its chief rival, the Porsche 911. Numerous personalization options are on offer, including the AMG Chrome package, additional chrome on the front fascia, front mudguards, and side sill trims, the AMG Night package, gloss black front splitter, side sill trims, and mirror caps, and the Aero package that brings a fixed AMG rear wing, a larger rear diffuser, and revised air intakes, all finished in gloss black. Regardless, a racy car like this one is best enjoyed with plenty of power on tap, and for that reason, we prefer the GT63. The 416 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder in the new 2025 GT43 features a 48-volt hybrid starter/generator and an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. The 48-volt electrical system keeps the turbo on spool, shortening the delay between throttle application and when exhaust gases take over to create maximum boost. The GT55 and GT63 models pulse with the power of Mercedes' twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 powerplant rated for 469 horsepower in the GT55 and 577 horses in the GT63. The GT63 Pro builds on the goodness of the GT63 by ramping up the output to 603 horsepower, and features an improved cooling system designed for keeping temps in place on the track. The GT63 SE performance adds an electric motor to the mix to boost combined horsepower to 805. All models use a 9-speed automatic transmission that replaces the typical torque converter setup with a clutch. The design is said to reduce weight and optimize response to accelerator input. The all-wheel drive GT55 and GT63 have the capability to route 100% of engine output to the rear wheels, and all 3 use an electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential. Rear-wheel steering works to keep the GT on its toes, but during our first drive of the GT63 we found the GT's overall demeanor not quite as entertaining as the previous generation model. Our drive of the GT63 SE Performance Hybrid revealed a significant more powerful beast, with the monstrously quick acceleration from the electric motors offsetting this model's weight gain over the non-hybrid. For navigating tricky driveway entrances and speed bumps, the AMG GT's optional nose lift system pops the front end up by 1.2 inches. Mercedes-AMG claims the new GT43 will hit 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, while the GT63 and GT63 Pro are projected to do the same in just 3.1 seconds, although the Pro is quicker to 124 miles per hour by a half a second, according to the manufacturer. Mercedes-AMG says the GT63 SE performance model is capable of 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Based on previous experience with the SL43 and SL63 convertibles, we can likely shave a tenth or two off each of these figures in C/D testing. The EPA estimates that the GT55 and GT63 models will deliver 13 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway. The GT43 hasn't been rated yet, but we expect it to land in the vicinity of the 20 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway EPA ratings of its Mercedes-AMG SL43 sibling that shares a slightly detuned version of the same engine. When we get a chance, we'll take the GT Coupe on our 75 miles per hour real-world highway fuel economy test and we'll update this story with test results. For more information about the GT Coupe's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Part of the new GT's appeal is its slightly more spacious interior and improved outward visibility. Standard Sport seats thread the needle between comfort and support, while available AMG Sport seats offer increased lateral support while 3 massage programs provide relief on long drives. A variety of Nappa leather upholstery choices is on tap, including a diamond quilted pattern and leather microfiber blend. Yes, the new GT offers rear seating, but the space is tight like that in a Porsche 911, and best saved for emergency use or excess luggage. In a serious example of understatement, Mercedes states that the rear seats are suitable for occupants less than 5 feet tall. The powered rear hatch is hands-free, and the cargo area it opens to can handle 2 golf bags or 23.8 cubic feet of cargo. An 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard on all AMG GT coupes, but some users may find its complex menu system frustrating. All models come with a wireless phone smartphone charging pad, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Burmester stereo system. An optional high-end Burmester 3D surround sound system with 15 speakers and 1,170 watts is available. A host of driver assistance features will be offered, but right now it's unclear which will be standard and which will be optional. For more information about the GT Coupe's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Mercedes-AMG's standard warranty package is the least special thing about its cars, and it covers a basic 4-year/50,000 mile period with no frills or extras. The GT Coupe's closest rival, the Porsche 911 Turbo, offers a complimentary scheduled maintenance program, whereas the AMG does not.
Thank you for watching Auto 7. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.